insult. You didn't even insult just. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is True Empires. You can also call me Mind Feather. Guys, there is something that I have here that I want you guys to listen and listen attentively. Guys, I am going to be very, very rude here. My rudeness does not make me not to be a good person, and when I am angry, that does not change my mind. But just that sometimes some kind of things that you will meet like this, all because we are in social media, will make you act some kind. As in, sometimes I am not saying that I am a saint. I have never praised myself as a saint, or maybe trying to form good girl, or trying to form a decent girl, or because maybe I am single, or because maybe I want to marry. I don't do that. Any man that want to marry me today will marry me for who I am, not because of I pretend. I am not the lady that pretends for any reason. So guys, before I will continue on what I want to tell you guys, there is a video I want to play. This video was downloaded from YouTube, and the YouTube channel is Mama Joy. She put, I'm going to display, in short, I am so much in a very bad mood now. You understand? There's a video I did last 4 months concerning the Oba of Benin, where the Oba of Benin came to say, as in, he came out to say that the Edo people, they are scared because of Fulani herders. So by then, because of the belief I have for the Edo state, I don't believe that. Yes, I talk about cultism. I said because there are so much news, so much video that is going viral about how the Edo people, they are slaughtering their brother, killing their brothers, all because of the name of cultism. You understand? Those videos has been going online. Even how this so-called, as like some of the Edo people had especially the girls, the women, the way they used to chase their men away from the house in Italy, trying to force pregnancy into them, having issues with them, throwing their things outside in Italy. You understand? The way they are killing their own, as in trying to kill their own people emotionally, and as in like, let me tell you something. Killing somebody does not mean that you have to use knife to cut the person neck, but the way you are treating the person, we tell that this person is dying gradually. But guys, somebody came, two women came and they begin to insult me. As like, you didn't even insult just my Igwe. You can, even if you insult the Igwe of my place, yes, that one will know that it is equivalent with the Oba of Benin. You insulted the Igwe, said the Igwe is going to die. You now say that Nnamdi Kanu is going to die. What relates Nnamdi Kanu with the Igwe? Igwe is equivalent with Oba of Benin. That is the same thing. And what I even talk about, I was saying like, how can the Oba of Benin pick a priest? That was the video I did. I did that video. And when I did this video, after doing this video, they said that thing was wrong. The Edopo were, as for my friend and other Edopo were angry about it. I have to come back and apologize and attend that apology. But those two women did not see the apology, but they saw the other video and begin to come to rain insult on me, calling me ugly, calling me this, calling me that. Guys, I am coming back. Let me play the rubbish, the stupid video that they did, that they were even behind camera. You are not bold enough to talk to me. You were hiding behind camera because you know why? You are not even beautiful than me. You can't. When I come back, guys, will continue from there.
Now, good evening. I bet this message now for that Igbo lady, when they come Mind Feather. That mumu lady, we no know herself, and she get this audio. I beg Nigeria Watch or any YouTube wait, one carry this video go YouTube. I beg when I find this idiot, when I place a picture, put. Na Igbo lady, say that they call her good evening. Her name na Mind Feather. Na be her name. And I say I write her for there. That useless Igbo we not get sense. What you go concern you concern Benin people? What you go concern Edo people? You don't even fear that your dirty mouth. You cannot come from your town. Go Edo State. You don't even fear. Eh? You don't fear at all. Now God go punish you. He go punish your Igwe. He go punish wetin they call na papa, wetin they Nnamdi Kanu. Now God go punish all of una. As long as you not let believe, I just said get peace. You're not going to see get peace for your life. What is a problem? All this is waiting for you. What is a problem? You don't even benefit. Now, don't people that want content learn. They never born you like that. Oh, you too small. You too small. When I say this bastard, huh? Very ugly thing. Good evening. Very ugly thing. See him mouth.
I talk and say.
When I listen to this fool.
Video, I will talk about Edo people.
Edo people, what did they do you?
You know what about Edo? The Edos. If you like, tell me inside the mention name. I am here for states that is inside Nigeria.
You go talk about your home, make a kill you.
States that made
You not get na state. Igbo not get state.
Una take Curtis as una watchword. I can remember how many
Thank you, my darling. Would they fine?
crime that has been committed in Edo states based from Curtis issues.
Wait, oh, una not get Curtis for Igbo land. Now I just said get Curtis. Crime not there for una land. Now I just said crime there. What will be your problem? How this mumu? What will be your problem? Now I just said get crime. The whole crime wey dey happen for just na Igbo people dey cause am. The kidnappers wey dey for just na Igbo. The thief wey dey for just na Igbo. What do you want talk? Say this fool.
Na Edo State. So, I got a surprise when this news come up. Say, fear in Edo State on Fulani herders. Really? Edo State. Talking about fear of Fulani henchmen. Really? Where are those?
Madam, I don't even know the person. No. Now yesterday I even see the video. This mumu na Igbo guy is from Owerri, from Imo State. She not just fear. He even come and go to our palace. This fool. When I listen to this bastard.
Curtis? Because I noticed that Edo State in Nigeria is one of the states that feel that Curtis is a means of making it. If you don't belong to Curtis, you won't make it in life.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You know the Igbo land.
A state like
You know the Igbo land. Curtis not the Igbo land. Now I just said Curtis there. Una Igbo not get Curtis. May God punish your Igwe. May God punish you, una the Kanu. May God go back kill off una. Useless lady. A big woman want call you. Mumu. Ugly muchacha. See as it be. But I know the new character for village. Idiot.
that can carry basket of fire on their heads and walk into a prison and break the prison.
Okay.
I am not against
Shut up.
the prison.
Shut up your mouth. They break prison for Edo State. They not break for Igbo land. The same thing not happen for Igbo land. Now like just say the thing for happen. It not happen for Igbo land. May God punish you. The thing not happen for Igbo land. Now like just say the thing for happen. It not happen for Lagos. Idiot.
Come in.
Mumu.
Fine. They acted the part 2 of prison breaker. Perfect. Good one. The Nigeria police deserve that.
Oh, shut up your mouth. See as
Many
it be.
souls, innocent souls, were there. Because Nigerian police, they are
Idiot.
thieves. They are thieves. If you listen to news very well, you see the girl when they kill, when they rape the girl. On the atrocity that was the test that was conducted.
That girl when they rape, Igbo not join the raper, may God punish you. All the whole crime for a dust, na Igbo the cost, na the do one. Na Igbo be number one for crime. So shut up your mouth and cease noise.
Sorry, I'm not being doctor, not being bite my tongue. The test that they conduct,
They be rituals and it's not be lie.
death span when he die.
Idiot.
For the girl body. Meanwhile, this
Can you gonna condemn Edo people?
trauma,
God punish you.
something like that.
See mouth.
This girl they arrest her for her boyfriend house. Make I just throw this story here back until the dose. This girl they arrest her for her boyfriend house after her introduction. When they go look for her, say her boyfriend they deal with drugs. Police go house go arrest a guy where they deal with drugs. Then see the girl, they carry the girl. They carry this girl finish. They rape this girl to death, strangle her to death, rape her. They got person overdose of drugs. Now this girl collect. The girl collect overdose of drugs. When I keep her for inside police custody until she die. Useless Nigeria police. Now turn down one by one. I make on the life the waste. Because any police life in the waste, and then they feel them. Just like the way army, the Nigerian soldiers now they die one by one.
Idiot.
Because since they don't know where they go do peacekeeping.
God go punish you, punish your Igwe.
Yes.
You buy market and you go sell. For my hand.
Has been finishing them. The Nigerian soldiers has been, they don't finish them.
See mad. See as he ugly. Fine, you not fine.
To Savasa Forest. That is how their soul be going one by one. Since it is an Igbos, for the Eastern security, maybe say they create, maybe say never think. When you say,
well, no, they do rituals. No, they do kidnapper. Every baba thing on a hand the day.
I only get good news now. Say this new chief of army.
The opportunity when I get for Edo State, Edo people don't get it for na place.
When you say BBC, no sabi.
Idiot.
Channel news, I don't know. When they talk and say, at least the army, then
We the Edo should not be briefer.
defeat some Boko Haram after 48 hours of a mission. At least I congratulate the armies for that one. But you see, as long as those people say they go, they turn or look to Savasa Forest, death will collect them one by one.
But when I come for Nigeria, no one come for Nigeria.
Just one by one.
Una be a step for every year.
Una will die one by one. Should be the aircraft in the crash for.
The day when they go give una briefer, we go drive una na brew water soup una for come for Edo State. You go see am.
You say choose to marry a soldier. What are you
Idiot.
I say for one video say, I sure I not fit play that video now. One video say the army, the soldiers, they video their guy or their one of their colleague when he died. Cause say, hey, you lost your soul. What did you sign for? You sign if you go to war.
Yes, it be. You want popular. Now Edo people now want to take popular. You not use your tongue take popular. May God punish you.
You didn't expect to be a widow before. It is
Idiot.
not what they sign. When I saw the video, I said, "Now what did they sign?" Somebody sent it to me on my private chat, and I returned to the person. That is what they signed for. Because if they sympathize with them, why did they die for war front? They're not going to go war front again. To join army before, na before. My stepfather is an old soldier. He died. They amputated his leg. He later died. Now for soldier, now for war front, they took him out his leg from. So I love my stepfather for that. So I don't see anything that is wrong about that. It's what you signed for. So one day you must die there. So as for the Edos, as he say, monarch as a king, come they appoint who go be priest for church.
Now who go kill your Igwe?
Very soon
You know that fear.
a problem state too.
You don't refer to our king, our monarch. Now who go kill your Igwe? Kill Unak the Kanu. You hear what I say so? Ogwamba go kill you. Kill your generation. Kill Unak the Kanu generation. Still kill your Igwe generation. Yeah? Now God go punish you.
King,
See as it be.
priest for church.
And so what? War betides you. War betides Igbo people. War betides you, Nnamdi Kanu. War betides you, na Igwe. War betides your generation. God go punish you.
Edo State is going gradually.
Now your mama they go gradually. Ogun go kill you.
How many
Idiot.
state you have? The only one. Nine king. Don't they appoint?
It concerns you. May Ogun kill you, kill your Igwe.
That means that church there's a war. Please, I want to
God punish you.
Say king appoint priest.
Tafia.
There's a war between the priests that want to preach.
See mouth like Toto.
Then the other news
Idiot.
say Edo fear for forest. Why would I get big men for cutters?
Now war betides your people.
All the top guys, home and abroad. Some of them are cutters.
Who go kill you? But when they swear for now. I swear now, I'm about Ben Bell. War betides all your generation. War betides your family. War betides your Igwe. War betides you, Nnamdi Kanu. Igbo when they chop person. Wagbon. Don't mind them. I told this enough for enough. What not here point? What did they take with Igbo people they do for body? We they use now for slave now. Now your mama be fool. Those that don't they support you, they don't know themselves. Come on, shut up.
How can Edo State voice out?
Idiot.
Scared of what? Fulani herdsmen.
It concerns you. Eh? You Igbo people with the Fulani herdsmen, they get problem. Fulani not get a problem with Edo people. Okay? When I go sort in a problem out, God punish you now. Now go kill your Igwe. Yeah? War betides you and your Igwe. You don't just fear. Your state you can't insult them. What will be your problem? No go kill you. Kill your Igwe, kill Nnamdi Kanu. Why Dave I go and down on Babe? What they believe to take Igbo they do for body? Nothing. Now what they use now they do. Get man. Now they use now for Benin. The opportunity when I get for Edo State. We the Benin will not get her for Igbo land. We not get her. Now slave with they use nothing they do. When I pack when I go na state. When I leave Edo State alone. God punish you now.
English is a shame.
Idiot.
If you allow such thing, Igbos don't even get Curtis Rishona.
Come on, see it's nice. Na Igbo, get Curtis pass. Na Igbo they use people to do rituals. Na Igbo they shop human being. We Benin we not they shop human being. Number one. So Igbo na be the I want to wait for Edo State. Na Igbo be the kidnappers wait for Edo. Eh? So shut up your mouth. Don't shut up. Una if they see me they mention now. Una too worse. Una worse the crime one guy for Igbo land. He passed one way there for Edo State. He passed. So not talk again. May seize your mouth. Idiot.
Igbos don't get Curtis Rishona, but they are defeating Fulani henchmen. They are defeating bandits.
Mona go dey fight with Fulani now. Nobody hold now. Mona leave Edo people alone. Now we dey talk. We not be Igbo. So whether not defeat Fulani herdsmen, no, not defeat them. No, love with that one. We Benin, we not want war. We not want any problem for Edo State. Mona leave Edo State alone. Nnamdi Kanu, carry your people. First, what they call them Fulani herdsmen, no. Mona leave Edo people alone. Me go no come kill you now. Useless people.
Their states. Then now you Edo. One will carry court for head. Court is now wash word. When they kill on our brothers.
Anena.
Videos I don't see. When more trouble.
Emeka anena. Na arrive for this my feather. Na be a name, my feather. Another for there.
Brothers, cut them, shoot them.
See mouth.
Now open their mouth, say, when they fear of the Fulani headers. Go until
What are you? What are Igbo land? What are you? Nnamdi Kanu? What are you, Nnamdi Kanu? What are your generation? Yeah? What are your Igwe? God go punish you. What are you now? Idiot people. Now you dey craze. Now your mama dey craze. Your generation dey craze. Nnamdi Kanu dey craze.
It's a disgrace to them.
To hell with you.
Guys, that the only power I get now to kill on our own fellow people.
Shut up.
Come and beat me.
Shut up. Igbo not dey kill his fellow people. Or Igbo wey go carry drug he put for he top he go give am drug. He go even kill am carry the drug run. You know dey happen? No, worse pass. Igbo wey dey sell him mama say dey do money. Idiot.
Shame. But the support Nigeria here is a shame to you guys. On our this kind of this news is a disgrace to us, and it's also a disgrace to us. Say on a priest, king, now they appoint priest for church.
Ogun go kill you. Ogun, na go kill you. Ogun na go kill you, eh? Yeah, that's your Igwe. Now Ogun go kill him. That's your Igwe. Now Ogun go kill him. I go kill Nnamdi Kanu. Now Ogun go kill Nnamdi Kanu. Useless lady. Mumu woman. See as he ugly. See our adult presenters wey dey for media. No as they fine. Where they go bring their face come out, they need see you. Be like who they carry come for village yesterday. You know even disabled in Europe. You not fear. Come they take that your mouth, that your rotten mouth. Tell the talk to Edo people. You know don't fear. Come they take that your dirty mouth till they talk to Edo people. May God punish you. You not fear. Now go back go kill you. Kill Nnamdi Kanu, kill your Igwe. Kill your generation. Kill your generation. Go back go kill you. Yeah? Kill your generation. You not go die better. Because you not get right to come in there because they insult the whole Edo. Whether we get caught so, we not get caught. That will not be your business. You're supposed to face your town people. You don't ever say we beneath the because they take affair for now. No. No one let peace reign for Edo. And now God will punish you. Now God will punish you. God then go punish you. God then go punish you. You go see him. God then go punish you. You no go die better. Ogun go kill your Igwe. I don't talk am. As you go kill your Igwe, that's why you go kill Nnamdi Kanu. Una Nnamdi Kanu one at the corner, papa. That's why Ogun go kill her too.
Hello, una good evening. I beg my brothers and sisters. You get one useless Igbo lady, whether na lady have been a girl or color. I don't know. When they send message to all Edo, begin they insult all Edos. I won't reply you. Come, what did they worry you? You know, so una culture, they not train una. We not get respect for una senior. Our palace, our father, the Oba of Benin. What you consider you consider? Eh? You dey craze? Abi you know where? You know the fear? Eh? What you consider Edo people? You know their history? Eh? YouTube do me well. You need viewers. Abi? You say what betides your family, your generation.
All in family, all in generation.
What betides you and your family, all your generation. You dey craze? Eh? Curtis not on my place. Igbo people not get Curtis on.
No mind there. Now they be the chief waiting for Edo State. Kidnappers so not there. Rich wasn't so not there.
Now you wanted the who they go fight?
Useless people.
Eh? Why not they useless like this? Your stupid Unadi Kanu, your brother, where they pay them, they insult our place. Very soon, this thing go tire una. Very soon, me and the payment they give you that brafa. Una they come up for that Benin. That Benin no go contain people. Think they give you that brafa. All of una go come up for that Benin.
Now brew water soup their leg.
God punish you. You don't get respect for where you from they come. They don't teach you how to respect your senior.
Oh man, a very ugly guy. Ugly woman. Idiot.
You say what betides all your family.
All generation.
You and your family. Don't ever try it again. Don't put mouth for where it not concern you. Don't try them again. If you not well, make your family go take care of you. Don't try them again, you hear? I beg you. No, they put mouth for where it not concern you. It's kind of nonsense. Just they insult all of those people that say they get what they do you. Make you respect yourself, eh? Respect yourself. No try them again. No put mouth for where it not concern you. If you want to talk to it, don't they insult all of those because they're not trained now. Una not get respect, una not get culture. Mind yourself, not try them again before what betides you and your family. Idiot. I bet want to help me go give her this message. May devil, may God punish her. Idiot.
Igbo. Now get Curtis. The old bad artists where they happy for Edo State. Now Igbo they do one. Go Mona go Welu. Go see Igbo. Now they get the shop waiting for Welu. If motor spoil for road, you not quick to hand, repair them. Before they go break, Igbo don't remove everything waiting for inside. They will go sell them. No, they do one. The opportunity when I get for Edo State, we the Edos will not get that for Igbo land. Now, bring water soup and leg more for Edo. You not go see them. Evil people. May we hear your mouth again. Come out again, come talk to Edo State. Come talk to Edo people again. Go see what you go see. What did they find? You go see them. You go see them. We don't get what they take it, but they do. But for Bini, we they use them for slave. We they use them for slave. Now get man. Now they use them for house boy. Now they use it for. So no man not they talking. Man shut up in the mouth. Man shut up in the mouth. When I read my way, go on the do. I you were slavery. Oh, mama do have to go via dogun. We they use now as a house boy, as get man. Now you just come out to do one insulted though. Now what betides you? What betides you not the kind of family? And your Igwe for the village where for come. You born in Mweru no baruwe. Wa gbe wa gbon. Wa bo la wa ya gbe. Ogun ogbo e. I know my brother, I be my sister. I know say they not like Bini. Now so me see Bini, me see Ede. Me I not like Igbo. Cover, because they're not good. They're not good. See what Igbo man do to our Bini woman now, lady now. See what he do to her. May God punish you now. And now why I want to That one, Ogwamba go kill that man. Oh. That one will do that to that lady. Ogwamba na go kill her. You know, go get peace. When I not pass Okwaya River, oh. That's Okwaya Road. When I not pass her, man. The day when I go pass her, now that then I go die. That river na go swallow now. Because the way when I see they treat Edo people, that river na go kill you now. Okwaya River and the Ovia River, when I not pass her, man. If I know Ikuwa, why you die? Why bell wagbon? I won't done. Now do where me I enter here. Now bye.
I believe people are listening to that particular video. Let me tell some of the Edo people, some of the ladies something, even the so-called women. I know that these two women that were hiding behind camera, I know that both of them have bleached their skin. I know, yeah, it's Coke, yeah, it's Fanta. Why two of them hide behind camera insulting, whether they are old women, whether they are young women, I don't even give a damn, because you know why? If you want to tell me not to talk about your Oba, a girl, maybe you get angry, there's a way you will even talk about it, but then we are just insulting me. Thank God you have just listened to those two riffraff, those two non-entity that is behind camera insulting me, those two that have killed their husband, because I know that many women in short, Edo State is full of landladies. Those two women that is there, I think they are among those women that have killed their husband. You know what? They think that I'm ugly. You are insulting Nnamdi Kanu. What concerns Nnamdi Kanu concerns the Oba of Benin, because definitely, if you want to insult, you should insult the Igwe, and not even Nnamdi Kanu. Say Nnamdi Kanu is going to die. That when we gain Biafra, that they will use broom to sweep our leg. That is exactly how they use broom to sweep all of them from Edo State. That's how you open prostitution chamber in Italy. That is why every month Edo person must die. In that other Edo boy will die on one because of drugs. One of them told me that Igbo people are the ones selling drugs. Fine, Igbo are the ones selling. Meanwhile, you are buying to kill yourself. You are buying to smoke to kill yourself. What is the difference? Are you not the food there? Imagine the nonsense. Tell him that if I talk about Edo people again, that I will see. Are they mad? Are they threatening me? If I talk about Edo, madam and so-called, whatever you call yourself, let me tell you something. In case this video gets to you, be bold enough to challenge me face to face. Don't come behind camera to talk to me. If you are bold enough, let me see your face. You know you are beautiful. Then let's compete and see who is more beautiful. Are you looking at me very well? I'm just carrying just ordinary Didi. Look at it very well. If you know you are beautiful enough, madam, come out. Are you so-called Mama Joy that they put the message under your channel? You now put it Igbo Mumu. You are even the foolish woman, of course, because you have nothing doing. That is why you feel you can say that I'm looking for fans. Looking for which fans? Are you mad? You look at someone who is looking for fans. You are even the one that this Mama Joy, that channel or YouTube channel, Mama Joy, you are even the most stupid person that even targets Igbo Mumu. You are even the Edo fool that's who you are. Edo prostitute, that's who you are. Because most of you are doing prostitute in that particular Italy, anywhere you are, Dubai, wherever. Because you know why? That is why most of you, even your men, they can't even come back because they don't have documents. They just run away from Edo State. Imagine, you are comparing yourself with Igbos. Comparing yourself, I'm sweating for this. This thing, what it? You are insulting Nnamdi Kanu. Do you know that none of you in your food generation can even be like Nnamdi Kanu? None of you. You are even comparing yourself with Igbos. That Igbos are your slave, being gatesman, my dear. Let me tell you something. Edo State is a place that you can't even wear white. You go to Apapa, where rainfall, the erosion will almost carry people away, carry vehicles away. You can't even wear white. Even me, I can't even stay in Edo State. I can't. Because you people don't even have roads. You don't have road. You go to Ring Road. Look at that place where rainfall. If you look so tattered and very dirty, you are here insulting. Are you okay? Don't you know who you are insulting? Call me ugly. Please, madam, I am ugly. I accept it. Since you know you are beautiful, please, I want to see your face when you are talking. Don't talk behind camera. They don't talk to me behind camera. And let me tell you something. Somebody were telling me that you want in my live chat. Somebody were telling me that you wanted to look for me. Guy, let me tell you something. No more answers. And if anybody hear me, if I catch you, I'm going to bite off your breast if you are a gay. I'm going to bite off your dick if you are a man. People should not even try it. Nobody should even try to send a threat to me because I am no longer scared. When things happen, you get stronger. Are you okay? Some of this Edo people, yes. You want to hear it? Some of you are worshipping the Oba of Benin. Yes, that's what I said. I am saying it again. Some of you, Oba of Benin is your God. Okay? Look, listen, madam, let me tell you very well. I am not one of those girls that naked and baked for you that you take to Italy for prostitution. I am not one of them. And mind you, I am not against anybody that want to do prostitution because it's your toto and it's your breast, it's your body. But mind you, I am not one of them that went naked and baked, then enter out in that your shrine in Edo that you took to Italy. So you don't even think of that. You telling me that if I talk about Edo again, I will see. Are you okay? Are you threatening me? But I'll go ahead and do what I want to do. And let me tell you something. If you know you don't want to talk about Edo State, then please tell your Governor Obaseki, tell him that people should make sure that you close anything that concerns social media on your place, anything that concerns media house in your place, so that anything that concerns Edo will not enter newspaper. Then they will not talk about Edo State again. But as long as Edo people talk about anything on YouTube, on Facebook, they talk about it to even make money from it, none of you can even stop my mouth not to talk about whatever I say on newspaper. Mind you, madam, I want to see your face. You are beautiful. I am ugly. I accept. Let me see your face. Let's see how coke and Fanta that you are. Old sluts. Old prostitutes. Mind you, don't even dare with Mind Feather or Jew empires. Did you hear me? Loud and clear. No wonder one of you want to set me up with drugs where I am. No wonder.